everyone, welcome back to my mathematics channel. So for today's lesson, I will continue discussing the calculation involving insurance, right? So I think for my previous video, I did share with you how to do calculation for life insurance. So for today's lesson, I would like to continue sharing with you how to do calculation for the insurance premium. So for this one, I think it's about the life insurance. So I discussed this in one of my video. So I think this one I don't have to go through again. So for today's main concern, I would like to discuss the motor insurance. Okay, calculation for motor insurance. So let's see this question. So for question number 3, let's study the question. Inje Zakri stays in Peninsular Malaysia. So the keyword is Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, because the according to Malaysia's Insurance Act, the location Malaysia actually consists of Peninsular Malaysia and Sabah and Sarawak, right? So for Sabah and Sarawak, the rate and the Peninsular Malaysia are different. Okay, so maybe due to the level of the risk is different. All right. So Inje Zakri wants to buy a motor insurance policy. The following is the information regarding the vehicle he wants to insure. So it depends on the condition of the vehicle. So the sum insured 85,000. So this is the amount that we are going to use it for the calculation later on. And the age of vehicle also one of the condition need to be considered. And the engine capacity, this is very important. The engine capacity is 2494 cc. So the engine capacity also will actually have a different rate. Okay, then one more, which is NCD. Now what is NCD? Let's brief about the NCD. So for car insurance, we have so-called NCD, right? So the NCD, it actually means that no, N means no, C means claim, okay, and then D means what? Discount. All right, so we have a so-called NCD, which is no claim discount. Okay, for no claim discount clause, it means that, okay, if there is no claim is made against the policy within the period of coverage before the policy renewal is made. Okay, normally when the policyholder have to renew the policy when he or she want to renew the road tax. Okay, road tax every year, right? Okay, so this is actually very important. As such, the premiums payable can be reduced by your NCD eligibility. So if there is no claim made against the car for that particular year, so the policyholder actually entitled for the NCD is a discount. Okay, and the driver will be lost the entire NCD if, okay, he or she will lose the entire NCD eligibility when a personal or third party claim. Okay, when there is a claim, either is personal or maybe a third party claim, okay, third party claim from the insurance company, then what will happen? Okay, then if there is a claim made against the policy, then the NCD eligibility will be lost. Okay, and then so it's good that we as a driver maintain a very good and careful driving experience, so that there won't be any accident happen, so there won't be any claim. Okay, so then we will entitled for no claim discount. So that is how the insurance actually good, because it actually teach a driver to drive carefully in order to pay less for the premium, right? So today we are going to do calculation, and it seems like Inche Bakri is a good driver because he is entitled for 30% of the no claim discount. Okay, no claim discount. Remember, no claim discount means that there is no claim. Okay, there's no claim for the policy. Okay, all right. So now let's do the calculation. So calculate the gross premium. Gross premium, or in order to calculate the gross premium we call as GP. Okay, for Inche Bakri actually bought the comprehensive policy, right? So we have how many type of the policy for motor insurance? You still remember or not? So for motor insurance, we have AG policy, right? We have the third party policy, okay, the third party policy, and also fire and theft policy. Okay, third party policy, third party fire and theft policy, and the fourth one is the comprehensive policy. So Inche Bakri is actually purchasing the comprehensive policy, right? So calculate the gross premium for the comprehensive policy, and also we need to calculate the third party and fire and theft policy, right? Okay, and also the third party policy we have to calculate 3. All right, so based on the schedule given, so we have to refer to the motor tariff 2015 schedule. So now let's see. Okay, how to calculate the premium for insurance, for motor insurance. So let's see, we have to refer to the table, in fact, right? All right, so you see the table shows the premium rate, okay, under the motor tariff for motor policies issued in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak. So let's see, let's study this table. Okay, it seems like for Peninsular Malaysia, okay, the Peninsular Malaysia, we study the rate first. Okay, the rate for the Peninsular Malaysia. So the engine capacity not exceeding, less than, okay, not exceeding, right? So we have 1004, 1650 to 200, 3050 and 4100, and 4250 for 4000 and over for 400. So you notice that when the car capacity, the engine capacity become bigger, the comprehensive premium for the policy also increase, because the risk will be increased. When there is a bigger CC, the driver can drive fast, right? So it's risky compared to low CC, right? And then for third party, also it seems like the premium also increase when the CC increase, right? This compared to Sabah and Sarawak is different, right? You can see it's a different, and in fact in Sabah and Sarawak is cheaper, right? but it still increase when the number of CC increase. Okay, so as you can see from that table, for comprehensive policy, the rate charge for the first 1,000 is very important. The keywords is the first 1,000. So when we want to calculate for the first 1,000, we have to refer to this table. Okay, so this is a source from the Motor Tariff 2015. Alright, so now the formula to calculate the basic premium, okay, for comprehensive policy, okay, for the Peninsular Malaysia. For Peninsular Malaysia is actually the basic premium is equal to rate for the first 1,000. So this rate have to refer to the table. Alright, and then after that, after you refer to the table, you have to plus with the balance of the after minus out the 1,000, the amount that insure. Let's say you got 100,000, so after minus 1,000 you got 99,000. So you have to base on that balance, and you have to calculate per 1,000. That means 1,000 you have to pay for 26 ringgit. So if you have 99,000, you have to take 99,000 per 1,000 times 26. Okay, for the amount exceeding 1,000. Alright, so for Sabah and Sarawak, okay, for Peninsular Malaysia is 26. For Sabah and Sarawak, you notice that the charges will be different. Okay, the rate still the same, refer to the table for the first 1,000, and then for the balance is just 20 ringgit 30 cent for the balance. Alright, for per 1,000. Okay, that exceeding 1,000. Alright, so it's actually considered cheaper lah. Maybe this is due to less vehicle in Sabah and Sarawak, maybe. Okay, so we just based on the table we do the calculation, right? So today I will focus on discussing the calculation for the motor insurance. So let's say Encik Bakri, just now we have read, stay in Peninsular Malaysia. He wants to buy a motor insurance policy, 85,000, 2494, and NCD is 30%. So calculate the gross premium for the 3 policy, right? Follow the schedule. So let's see how to do. So okay, now let's discuss the comprehensive policy first, right? So let's do here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do calculation for the comprehensive first. Alright, so let's see where to write the comprehensive. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, for comprehensive, right, for comprehensive, okay, we have three types for comprehensive. Let's say for comprehensive, the car insured is how much? Let's see, is 85,000, right? So 85,000 for the first 1,000. Okay, for the first 1,000, we have to refer to the table. And when we refer to table, we must actually refer to the engine capacity. So let's go to the table and find the engine capacity below 2494. 2494 is below, let's see, 2494, right, is below. Okay, so we found out that it's below 30, not exceeding. Okay, 2494 is not exceeding 3050. So because of the comprehensive, so we have to take this amount. Alright, okay, so if we want to calculate for the third party policy, then we have to take this one. So it depends on which type of policy. right? So now we will refer to the comprehensive. Okay, we'll refer to the comprehensive, then we'll do calculation. So the first 1000, we have to consider 372.60. So let's do it here. For the first 1000, okay, Encik Bakri have to pay, follow the schedule is RM 372.60. Follow exactly the table. Then because it's 84 balance, right? We have 85,000. So minus out 1,000. So the remaining is 84,000. For this 84,000, okay, because it's in Peninsular Malaysia, so Encik Bakri have to pay 84,000 per 1,000 times 26 ringgit, right? So if you press the calculator, the amount is, okay, RM 2184. You can try to press the calculator. 84 times 26. Okay, you can just write 84 times 26 because it's per 1000. So it's 2184, right? Can double check with the calculator. So let's press the calculator. We take 84,000. 84, because we know it's per 1000. So you just take 84 times 26 is 2184. So according to the table just now, we for the first 1000, okay, the first 1000, Encik Bakri have to pay for 372. Then for the balance of 84,000 per 1000, so he need to pay, the amount is RM 2184.00, right? So if you add on the total, okay, so this is actually the gross premium. So we just plus 2184 with 372.60. So we will get the answer, which is 2556.60. Okay, so this is actually the gross premium. So because according to the information given, Encik Bakri entitled for NCD, right? 30%. So we are going to minus out because it's a discount. Because Encik Bakri is a good driver, there's no claim made against the policy. So 30% is out of the total gross premium. So this is gross premium. So the NCD will be based on the gross premium. So it's 30% times 2556.60. So Encik Bakri entitled for no claim discount. So just now was RM 2556.80 minus out 30% of the NCD. This is the NCD, right? Times the 2556.60. So if you calculated 30% of the 2.56, let's calculate 30%, 30 per 100 times 2556.60, you will get 766.98. So this is a discount that Encik Bakri entitled for the NCD eligibility. So we minus, okay, so we take 2556.60 minus out 766.98. So that means the premium for Encik Bakri for the comprehensive is actually okay, let me write down properly, is 2556.60 minus 766.98, right? So Ijat Bakri just need to pay 1789.62 for the comprehensive policy, right? So he actually saved about 700 plus. Okay, so actually this is actually very important. So as you can see, sometimes when there is an accident, people try not to claim the insurance, right? So that they are entitled for the NCD. Okay, so what about if we discuss the other one? We have a comprehensive, we have third party, right? If third party, it will be 75%. Okay, the third party will be 75% of the comprehensive policy basic premium according to the law. So we will take the 75%. So just now we have found out this answer, 1789.62. right? Now we want to calculate the third party. So third party, let's do it here. So for third party is actually 75% of the comprehensive basic premium. So we will multiply by the 2556.60, right? So this is the amount that you need to multiply by 75% for the third party. So if you use a calculator, 75%, 75 per 100 times 2556.6, so you will get 1917.45, right? So this is 1917.45. So for third party, the amount is 1917.45. Okay, this is before we minus the NCD. So let's minus the NCD. Is just now is 30% of this amount. Okay, so 1917.45 times 30%. So we will get 575.24. 575.24. So we will take this amount. We'll take 1917 and minus out the NCD. So for the third party, okay, for the third party, we will, let's do it here. Okay, for the third party, we will take, okay, which is 1917.45, which is 75% of the basic premium just now, minus out the 30% of this amount, 30% of 1917.45. So then the amount is 1917.45 minus 575.24, right? So after you press your calculator for the third party, okay, the amount is 1342.21. This is for third party after minus the NCD. Okay, then how about for there's another type, which is, okay, we need to calculate three type, right? Which is, okay, let's see, theft, okay, let's see, third part, fire, theft policy, and the third party. This is the third type. Okay, let's see, we have to do three type of policy. This one we did already. This one just now we have actually calculated. This one third party also we just calculated. And then the last one is fire and theft policy, okay, and the third party policy. So for this one, we actually have to use the, okay, let's go to the amount. Just now is 19 let's refer to the table first. We have to refer to the table for this one. Okay, so we have to go to the table, and then we see the third party policy, right? The third party policy, which is this one, 167.40. Okay, so this one we have to do calculation for the, based on the table is, let me find a space, right? Okay, 167.40. We are going to take 167.40, and then we have to times with the 30%, right? So that because he entitled for NCD, even though for third party. So after you minus out 167.40 minus 30 times 167.40 divide by 100%, is actually 50 ringgit 22 cent. So the answer is, you have to take 167.22 minus out 50.22. Sorry, you have to take 167.40 minus 50.22. So the answer is 117.18. Okay, so that is how you do calculation for the three type of the insurance policy. All right, so we have calculated the three type of the insurance policy. So for comprehensive policy is 1789. For third party fire and theft policy is 1342. Third party fire and theft, this is 75% of the 2556 just now, right? And finally, the third party policy is just refer to the table and minus out the NCD, so you get 117.18. So be careful with the third party fire and theft policy is 75% of the gross premium, which is 75 times 2566 2556.60, right? So that is actually about the calculation for the motor insurance. So I will share with you another calculation in my next video sharing. Bye bye and have a nice day.